Hey gang, Jesse here, EC Auto Repair. So last night I had to leave the shop early, unplanned. There was something that came up that was urgent, and so I live about 40 miles away. I ran home real quick, handled what needed to be handled, and then of course I'm on my way back to work this morning. And as you can see, I'm at the fuel pumps, but my gas gauge, see if y'all can see this. Yeah, there it is. 13 miles to empty. Okay, so that's cutting it really close. And the reason that you don't really want to run your vehicle below about a quarter of a tank, especially in the summertime, is the fuel is also the cooling agent for that fuel pump that's inside the tank. So don't pull a Jesse. Don't run super low. You might burn up your fuel pump. In fact, we've got 2 fuel pump jobs going on in the shop right now. That more than likely just the customer hasn't been in the habit of keeping it above a quarter of a tank. So I like a half a tank myself, quarter tank minimum. But today we are 13 miles to empty, completely on the E. So I'm gonna fill it up with gas and get that pump cooled off. The other thing that we have going on right now is they are increasing the amount of ethanol that's in the fuel in most stations in an effort to combat the fuel prices for the conflict in the Middle East. That being said, ethanol does not attract water. Okay, ethanol is not water. Let me correct that. Ethanol is not water. Ethanol is hygroscopic. What hygroscopic means is it has a quality that it attracts water. So today it's foggy. So anytime there's a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity, different things like that, that's actually going to attract moisture into the fuel tank. So it's very important to run a ethanol type defender. We have an ethanol defender kit. So going on a cross country trip or just every oil change, I would recommend putting in a treatment that's going to dissolve any moisture that's in the fuel tank. That's going to prevent rust. That's going to prevent problems with injectors in the future. So the long-term effect of this increased ethanol in the fuel is we're going to have more injector failures, more fuel pump failures, more anything that's metal in the system is going to be subject to rust. So the way to get in front of that is use something that's going to take that moisture out of the tank and clean the injectors at the same time. Hope this helps. Y'all have a great day. It's June. It's the end of June. It's going to be a nice hot summer day here, wherever you are or whenever you're watching this. Be safe, and we will see you in the very next video.